Hello and welcome to Musto Invest in Cambodia. Happy New Year 2022 to everyone. I think 2022 will be a great year for any travelers and investors coming to Cambodia. And talking about traveling to Cambodia, I believe that these are some things that you should know before traveling in the Kingdom of Wonder. And remember that news can change, so you should always stay updated. And in this channel I will keep making updates about Cambodia and investing. And I would like to thank everyone for supporting my channel throughout 2021, where we made a really big progress, and now we will continue to provide weekly content about anything related to Cambodia. And talking about visas for Cambodia, so you have to understand that right now Cambodia reopened its borders, and yes, you can travel by air to Phnom Penh or Siem Reap international airports. And yes, you need to get a tourist visa that can be accessed for some countries on the government's website that you can see in the description below. And yes, you can get a 1 month tourist visa, but as of the latest news, you cannot convert the tourist visa into a business visa, so you would have to exit the country. So a 1 month tourist visa can be extended, but it cannot be converted into a business visa. So if you're planning to do business in Cambodia, I do advise you to register a company while you are abroad, and Musto Invest in Cambodia can help you that. We can help you to register your own company even though you are still not in the Kingdom of Wonder. And yes, once you get a letter from a company or an NGO, a school, a private institution, or whoever can sponsor you from Cambodia, then you can apply for a business visa. And then once you arrive to Phnom Penh International Airport or Siem Reap International Airport, then yes, you have to have a PRC test, and then you have to wait a few hours until results will be shown negative. So if you will be tested negative, then you can go out anywhere you want in Cambodia. And yes, you have to be fully vaccinated. If you have not been fully vaccinated, then you would have to quarantine for 14 days. And another thing that you need to understand, and I definitely advise you, is to come with a Forte medical insurance. So if you're traveling to the Cambodia in 2022, you should definitely get a $90 medical insurance that can cover you in case of any emergencies that may happen, or in case you will be tested positive. And I think you have to be well prepared if you come to Cambodia. And yes, I do advise you to get a business visa, an EB visa. And if you need any legal service, Musto Invest in Cambodia can provide you with any assistance. Just contact us on our Facebook Meta page, Instagram page, or on my personal Telegram or WhatsApp number. And one more thing that you should also consider is that if you want to extend your business visa, then you have to get a letter from a Cambodian company or an NGO, and you also have to show a patent tax. That patent tax shows who is the owner of the institution that you are working or partnering with, and then you can extend your 1 month business visa to a 6 months or 12 months EB a business visa. And if you come with a tourist visa and you want to get a business visa, you have to exit Cambodia. However, rules can change. This video may be affected, so check well before traveling to Cambodia. And also make sure with which airline you are traveling in case you do come with a tourist visa, because I got reports of travelers traveling with Singapore Airlines and then the airline asking them for an invitation letter. So please check well in advance with the airline, because they might ask you an invitation letter even if you're traveling with a tourist visa. And also, in case your country doesn't have a Cambodian consulate or embassy, the only way to get a visa is by either sending your passport to a Cambodian consulate or embassy abroad, or you flying directly to that country and then getting the visa. There is no other way, unfortunately. In case you will work in Cambodia, then you will also be required to get a working permit, and to get a working permit you need to get a letter from your company or institution or NGO that you're working for, and then you can either do it by yourself, meaning you will have to go to get a medical check-up, and then after that go through the process. The easier way, on my opinion, is just doing through an agent, and that is going to be between 200 to 250 US dollars. However, prices may change, but in case you do want to work in Cambodia or even have your own company or business, then you will have to have a working permit as a self-employed, in case you will have your own company or business, or a working permit as someone working for a company or institution. So this is all I have for you today. If you have any questions, or you need any legal work, Cambodian citizenship, you're interested in any real estate, condo, land to purchase in Cambodia, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you so much. Like the video, share it to your friends, subscribe to Musto Invest in Cambodia, hit the notification button, and I'll see you next time.